Hi everyone, welcome to my market update. So we're going to be taking a look at interest rates and what happened in the month of February in terms of our housing market. So the big news right now is the Bank of Canada held prime rates steady and committed or supported that they're going to continue their keeping interest rates low into the foreseeable future for the next couple of years because of the impact of COVID on the global economy. Now, the second piece of news is that interest rates have been rising. So the two sound a little bit contradictory. Well, the Bank of Canada, it is responsible for prime rate, which affects variable rate mortgages. The bond market is what impacts fixed mortgages, and we're starting to see an increase in the bond market. And so fixed rate terms have been going up over the last couple of weeks, and I hear another big bank is about to announce a rate increase. So if you're thinking about getting into the housing market or doing any kind of refinancing or anything like that, now's the time to start talking to your mortgage broker or banker and get those mortgages pre-approved and get yourself a rate hold. Okay, so those are the couple of big things regarding interest rates. Now, in terms of the housing market and what we did last month, sales were off the charts again. It was pretty incredible. Over 3,000 sales registered in February. And in a second here, we're going to take a look at all the stats. On a note, the sales were 73% higher than a year previous, last February, prior to COVID kind of making its way into the world and being pronounced a global pandemic. So the market was already starting to heat up back then, and already our sales this February were 73% higher. And last month's sales were also 43% higher than the 10-year average. So let's take a quick look at the stats here. So you can see this was February sales, almost 4,000 sales, 3,800 sales registered last month. Listings, virtually no increase in listings. We did have new homes listed, of course, but between the increase in the sales and where things are at, it's virtually the same, but look at the amount of sales. They're about 56% higher than January. And of course, that now brings our months of inventory down to 2 months of inventory. So months of inventory is a very quick synopsis of supply and demand. Under 4 months of inventory is very much a seller's market. Over six months of inventory is a buyer's market. And right now we're at 2.2 months of inventory. And the benchmark price made a nice jump, 2.65% month over month. This is amazing stuff. But just coming back to the months of inventory here, 2.2 months of inventory, the last time we saw that level of inventory for the broad market is, look at that, it was, let's see, June of 2017. So definitely we are starting to see market activity very similar to what we saw back in 2017 and 2016, with what I would say some exuberance that is even further than that. Anyhow, there's a lot that goes into buying and selling a home right now. If you're thinking about it, please reach out to me so that we can give you the information that you need to make the best plan for yourself. With that, take care and we'll talk to you soon.